Quickest method to earn online, $500 daily, for newcomers. When it comes to earning money online rapidly, regardless of the side hustle or method you choose, it should meet 3 key criteria. First and foremost, you must offer a product or service that addresses a genuine need. Many people seeking quick income make the mistake of selling something nobody wants or needs, which leads to minimal success. Second, your endeavor should incur minimal costs or be entirely cost-free to fulfill. Lastly, it should demand minimal effort on your part. These 3 factors are crucial for anyone aiming to swiftly earn money online. In this video, I'll guide you through one such method that you can start immediately after watching, potentially enabling you to earn $1,000 to $2,000 per week, depending on your commitment. The step-by-step process I'll outline is one I haven't seen widely discussed on platforms like YouTube or the Internet, so stick around for valuable insights from start to finish. Now, let's delve into the side hustle and its workings. The strategy involves reaching out to businesses lacking a website, a common need in today's digital landscape. I'll demonstrate how to identify such businesses and obtain their contact details. Then, leveraging AI technology, you'll craft persuasive emails and swiftly build websites, streamlining the entire process for rapid scalability. To begin, you can utilize local business directories like Yelp.com or Yelp to identify businesses without websites. Once you've compiled a list, accessing their contact information is as simple as navigating to their profiles and locating their email addresses. Crafting effective emails is made easier with tools like ChatGPT, ensuring your outreach is professional and compelling. Furthermore, building websites for these businesses has never been quicker, thanks to advancements in AI technology. Platforms like Hostinger offer AI website builders that can create professional-looking websites in seconds. With minimal effort and cost, you can provide valuable services to these businesses while earning substantial profits. In conclusion, by following this method and scaling your efforts, you can generate significant income while providing a valuable service to businesses in need. Remember to maintain professionalism in your communications and leverage AI tools to streamline the process. With dedication and consistency, the potential for success is limitless. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content. Additionally, consider going to Bexico.com website for different ideas on earning passive income online. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on AI technology, making money online ideas and more. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.